All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to what your time be right now. On a day now, happy weekend, happy Saturday. Hope on a day fine. Okay, today news concern how people when they travel illegally in the name of finding green pastures. Oh shit. The Nigerian federal government don't come outside to come talk say that kind journey na illegal journey due to the 1,200 Nigerians we them don't confirm say they die during illegal migration for the past 7 months for this year will be 2023. So okay, if your brother, your pikin, your sister they among people when go for that journey, oh, I feel so sorry, so sorry. Make this one be lessons to those when they plan them and those when they plan to execute this kind journey. Alright, make we go straight to the news in details. Now so the story be Komoya body. Ushi, I beg bros, subscription no cost, they know they pay inside. If you never subscribe to my channel, please I beg hit the red subscribe button and also the bell notification button so that if I feed the drop news like this, you self gotta get some woto and woto shortly. Komoya body. Ushi, oyana, make we head on to the news proper. The Nigerian Immigration Service don't come out to come really show say they know they happy for the way some Nigerian citizens they face unnecessary debts and hardships because of the illegal waka with them the waka in the name of say the one go obodo yibo country. The Oga Kpatakpata will be the National Immigration Service Controller for Ekiti State Command, wey name be Ademola Abdul Rashid. Now talk say Nigerians go fit travel go abroad based on their own reasons. Say but in advice for them be say make their movement the day safe, orderly and regular. For the grand finale of the 3-day celebration of the 60th anniversary of NIS, when it happened for Ado Ekiti on Friday, when it be said the team now enhancing seamless regular migration. Now there so, now Oga Abdul Rashid come talk say this Japa syndrome of a teen so na very big challenge to those people where they travel to and fro through the illegal ports of exit in the name of say they won't go find greener pasture. Oga Abdul Rashid come feel so bad due to the way many of our youths take die inside the Sahara desert and the Mediterranean Sea. He say he no want am at all. He come also add say from the record where they available with the International Organization for Migration, him say at least 1,200 Nigerians don't die as them they try to travel through the Sahara desert and the Mediterranean Sea for the year 2023 alone. Him say for those people when even manage survive the journey of reaching the country where them really plan to reach, him say unfortunately for them, the waka will come be like film for their own eyes because nobody waited and think about the journey, now they come the experience. Him say some spend many months or even years inside Oyibo police station because of the illegal waka where Oyibo they call irregular migration. Him say some self will fall into the hands of pirates, will be robbers, and sometimes the Japa girls will fall into the trap of rapists. Him can advise Nigerian boys and girls we get interest to Japa, say make them come to any of their nationwide offices for better information and guidelines we go help them get safe, orderly and regular migration. The Oga will be Abdul Rashid also talk say over 60 years we NIS don dey operation no be for play business. Him say they don't transform from analog years to digital era. Oga Abdul Rashid finally come add say NIS don't achieve so much for just these few years. Him say that they do insurance of travel documents package will be passport, visa and resident permit, border management, migration management, national security and several others. Oga Abdul Rashid come also praise the acting controller general of immigration where her name be Caroline Adekboju as she take consider say it dey necessary to see say them celebrate the 60th anniversary of NIS with so much fun. Come on your body. Oshé, bros, now the news be that. How far? Man live on here now. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel as it hot. Come on your body. Oshé.